Welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? So we are making this fine fabric with top, and it will have baby neck and armless. So please watch my video down to the end, subscribe, share, like. So let's get started now. I've cut out my top that I want to use, like the body part now. So what I did is the front and the back that is here. So I will go ahead now to start with the measurement. So I will begin with the neckline. My neckline that I'm having here is 3.5. So that my 3.5. Breaking it down by the sleeve is 3 inches also. And it's a round neck. Remember, it's baby neck that we are making. So I will just curve it like this. So to get our shoulder will be divided by 2. My shoulder is 16 divided by 2. That will give us 8 inches. And that is the 8 inches that I'm marking. And then I will have a straight line on it. So that is it. So after that, I will go ahead now to take my length. My length that I'm having here is 25 inches. So that is my 25 inches. I will continue to mark and get that my 25 inches. So we have gotten it, like the 25 inches. I'll also rule it to have a straight line on it. So I've done that now. Now is to mark from my shoulder to my chest line, which is 8 inches. From my shoulder to my chest line, 8 inches. I will also go ahead to have a straight line using my ruler to roll it out. So now, to get our measurement proper now, like the bust measurement, I will be marking my bust 42 inches. 42 inches is 10.5 inches. So that's my 42 inches. Adding my sewing allowance, 1.5 inches. On that line, that is where I will get my armhole curve. So I will placing my tape on my chest line that I mark 8 inches and place it, adding 2 inches and mark to get my curve measurements. That is for the armhole. So then I will use my ruler to curve it. So I've done that. So the bottom side, that is where we'll get our waist. Our waist is 34 inches. So that is my 34 inches here. Adding my sewing allowance, adding up to 2 inches. So I want my top to be free on the body. So now, after that, for the shoulder slope, I will be marking my shoulder by ½ inch to slope it down. So that is my ½ inch. I'm using my ruler to slope it. So please subscribe to my channel, watch my video down to the end. So as for the back line, so I will be marking 1 inch on it to slope it down. That is for the back, and also curve it like this. So done that now. So I'll connect all my marks together now, from the bust to my waistline. So that is it. So having done that, I will cut and take it to the machine to go and stitch. But I will not just leave it just like that for the bottom line. So I will just mark half 1 inch to curve it. I don't want it to be straight. So using my curve ruler to curve it to my 1 inch. So that is it. So now I will cut. Start from the neckline now to cut. So I'm cutting from the back under my 1 inch that I marked from the back neckline. So I'm also cutting from the shoulder. So let me go down to the waist side, that is the bottom side, and cut. So it will not have a sleeve. It's armless that we are making on this top. So this I'm cutting it now, and after that go and stitch it on the machine, and also to show you the next step. So please subscribe to my channel and watch my video down to the end. So you can see I've done that. So let me cut the front neck now. So I will take it up like so that it will not affect the back side that I'm cutting. So I will just hold it like this and cut it like for the front neck line. So I've done that. So let me take it to the machine and go and stitch now. Now I will be joining the body parts of this top now. So I will go ahead now to start with the measurements for the bust. And now this time around, we are going to share it in two, not into four again when joining your top. Remember that when joining any of your clothes that you are making. So my bust is 42 and this is my 42. So what remains there, we'll count it out so that we'll not share it. 1, 2, 3. So what remains there is 3. That means we'll be having 1.5 at this side of it for the bust, having 1.5 at this side of it again. So that is that. So coming to the downside is 34 inches. For the waistline now, we are going to measure it too. That is 34 inches. So this is my 34 inches, 17 inches. So we'll count the remaining parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that means our waist measurement for the allowance is 2 inches. So I will mark my 2 inches like this. Coming to the other side, 2 inches also. So then we'll connect the mass together. So I'm using my hand to connect it like this from the bust to the waist. So let me show you so that you can see very well. So I've done that now. So let me take it to the machine now to go and stitch. That is the body parts now. This is the final look of our top, baby neck and armless sleeve. And please, you can subscribe, like, share, give it a thumbs up. And if you don't understand, watch this video again. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.